Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making the Sweet Muffins from the Betty Crocker Lost Recipes Cookbook. And to start off with, I'll be taking 1.5 cups of flour and adding in 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of the baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'll quickly stir those until they're well incorporated. To 1/2 cup of milk, I'll be adding in 1 egg and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Once I have all those stirred together, they're going to go straight into our flour mixture. And then these ingredients just get stirred together. Don't worry if your batter looks a little bit lumpy and bumpy. It's all going to bake out in the end. This is going to go into muffin tins. Now, the recipe calls for a regular size muffin pan. I couldn't find mine, so I'll be making 6 larger muffins, but the recipe will normally make about 12 normal size muffins. And I want to fill this up about halfway full. If you're choosing not to use paper liners like I am, you'll need to either butter or put shortening in just the bottom of your muffin tins so that your muffins will come out easier. Now that I have these filled, these are going to go into a 400-degree preheated oven where they'll bake for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the muffins were done baking, I went ahead and pulled them out of the muffin tin and allowed them to sit on a baking rack for about 30 minutes just so they could cool down a little bit. And now all I have left to do is try them out. I have to say they do smell absolutely fantastic. And I can't wait to dive into one of them. It's got a really good crumb on the inside of it. These turned out really well. They've definitely got a little bit of a sweetness to them, but they're not overly sweet. They remind me a lot of like a spoon biscuit or like a drop biscuit. These would definitely be really good with a little bit of extra sugar sprinkled across the top before you put them in the oven, so that sugar can kind of melt and caramelize on top. And these would definitely go really good with some sweetened fruit, especially like strawberries or raspberries. These are something I'm definitely going to be making. Again, I've really enjoyed these. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how they turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I'm the Vault Girl. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and hope I'll see you in the next one.